everyone, I'm Teacher Melike from EnglishCentral. Welcome back. Today we will learn an A1 level topic. Our topic is family tree. Let's think about it in generations. We exist in one generation, we and our siblings. Our parents are in the generation before us, and our parents' parents, I know this sounds funny, are in the generation before them. Let's call them the first generation. First generation, grandparents. Grandparents are called grandmother and grandfather. In short, you can call them grandma and grandpa. They are the parents of our parents. Second generation, parents. Our parents and their siblings exist in this generation. Our parents are called mother and father. In short, you can call them mom and dad. Their female siblings are called aunts. Their male siblings are called uncle. If they are married, we call their partner aunt and uncle as well. As an example, let's say my father has a sister called Jessica. I will call Jessica my aunt. If Jessica is married to Josh, I will call Josh my uncle. But Josh and I are not related. Similarly, if my mother has a brother called Bob, then Bob is my uncle. If Bob is married to a woman called Susan, then I will call Susan aunt. But again, Susan and I are not related. Third generation is us. This is where we exist. Our siblings are here too. If we have a female sibling, she is called our sister. If we have a male sibling, he is called our brother. If our uncles and aunts have children, then those children are called our cousins. Kids in this generation can be either our best friends or complete troublemakers. Fourth generation, children. If one day we have kids, they will be called our children. Just like how our parents are our grandparents' children and we are our parents' children. If our child is a girl, we call her our daughter. If our child is a boy, then we call him our son. If our siblings have children, we call them either our nephew or our niece. For girls, we use niece. For boys, we use nephew. Speaking of children, we have special content made for children as well. And even children get to have their first lesson for free. Yes, you heard correctly. We offer you your first lesson for free. And that's not all. EnglishCentral has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link below in the description box to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app EnglishCentral to check out our educational materials. For now, let's continue. Fifth generation, grandchildren. If our children in the future have their own children, they will be called our grandchildren. So in this case, we are our grandparents' grandchildren. Our children are our parents' grandchildren. In singular, you can say grandchild. Generation, great. I would like to call these generations great generations. Yes, we will be talking about multiple generations now. But don't worry, there is nothing to be afraid of. Did you wonder what your grandparents' parents are called from your point of view? They are called great-grandparents. You can call them great-grandmother or great-grandfather, and the generations coming before them are our ancestors. Unfortunately, not many people get to know them. Similarly, our grandchildren's children are called our great-grandchildren, or in singular form, great-grandchild. And that is it. In summary, the first generation has our grandparents, grandma and grandpa. The second generation has parents, mom and dad, and their siblings, uncles and aunts. Third generation is our generation with our siblings, sisters and brothers, plus our cousins. Fourth generation is our children's generation, daughters and sons. Our nephews and nieces are also in this generation. Fifth generation is our grandchildren. And lastly, our ancestors and our grandchildren, the great generations. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box to visit our website EnglishCentral.com to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. And until next time, take care.